Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MaxSun GeForce RTX 4070 Super. So friend, MaxSun, a NVIDIA board partner focusing on custom GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card design and dividing from the standard. This design incorporates dual regular 8-pin PCIe power connector as opposed to more commonly used 12V PWR power connector. And custom design of RTX 4070 cards typically feature a 8-pin PCIe power connector suitable for their 200-watt total graphics power, and that is 4070 Super NVIDIA has increased the TGP to 220 watt, and this enhancement generally requires both partner to adopt a 12 PWR connector recognized for its capacity to deliver up to 300 watt of continuous power output. NVIDIA also facilitates this transition by providing an adapter that converts two 8-pin PCIe connector into a 12 PWR connector. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.